our dear listeners, and thank you for joining us on our YouTube channel, The Conseil de la Vie. Today I'm very happy to present to you a topic related to ICT. The topic for today is about Microsoft Word, toolbar description and the functionality. Where we are going to describe different toolbar, different tools, standard tools, menu, and their functionality, how to use them. And I think this topic will be very much interesting for people who want to get knowledge in ICT related tools. Thank you so much. We are back after this short break. Thank you. So when I open, for example, my computer, I have the desktop, which is like this, the ways you see it. Then I start by entering Microsoft Word. So I type here in search, I type Microsoft Word. I have Microsoft Word, then I open Microsoft Word. When you open Microsoft Word window, you have a screen which looks like this. So let us then describe different tools we have here. We have menu, we have menus and the different tools in toolbar. So we are going to start by describing different tools we have here on the screen and how to use them, as the topic for today is about Microsoft Word toolbar description and the functionality. So we've opened the Microsoft Word. We have our screen which is like this. So let us then describe this screen. We have here at the top, we have what we call title bar, where there is a title of your document. Then next we have different menus. Where we find menus, we call it menu bar. Then in each menu there are some standard tools. We have standard tools, and then among those standard tools we have also what we call formatting tools here. The next, then we have different rulers which help us to position the text, and we have a ruler on the right side and on the left side and on the top, and we have a scrolling bar when you want to move the page up or down. We have the working area, we have the cursor, and then here down we have what we call status bar. So what we are going to do here is just to describe different tools found in different menus, but the topic may be large, so we are going to be limited on the tools found in home. Then we shall continue if the time will allow. So as we've seen in Microsoft Word description, we've seen that on the top we have what we call title bar. Then we have menu bar, where we have different menus like home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review, view, format, and so on and so forth. And in each menu we have different tools that we are going to just talk about their functionality. So I have here a text entitled Gahigi the Great Hunter. We are going to see how we can format this. We can give this text different formats using our tools we find in menu home. And let us start by formatting what we call formatting tools. We have here what we call font. We have here what we call font name. It is here, font name. Then we have a font size. We can change the size of the character. This is the font size. We have other formatting tools like bold. We have italic. We have also underline if you want to underline. So let us, for example, change the font type, the font name of this. It is in Calibri body, so we can change to Times New Roman. We can go to font size and increase the size of the title. Simply select and increase the size of the title. We can bold our title. We can also go to underline if we want to underline. We can put even in italic, there is no problem. So these are the formats we can give to our title. Then when we continue, we have what we call font color. We can change the color of the character. For example, we can put in orange or red. So this is the font color, the tool you see here. Then we have what we call font case. For example, if you've forgotten, for example, to put in capital letters, you can go to font case. You click there, you go to uppercase after selecting the title. So then when you go to uppercase, the title will be in capital letter, or you can go to lowercase just to put it in small letters. So we have also the text here. We can arrange the text left and right. We can go to this tool, so the text will be arranged in two margins, or you can put the text on the center. You can go here using this tool. You can go to this side just to arrange the side on the left side and on arrange on the right side. So this is the use of these tools we find here. So we can also go change the line spacing size. This is for line spacing. We can space these lines. Yeah, so the space between different lines will be augmented. Yeah, so these are the tools for formatting your text. Yeah, so we can even have these things like powers. Let us, for example, type X. Let me increase the size for it to be very much visual. X power 2. If you wanted to put powers here, you simply use this power 2. You write it 2, then you select it 2. You go to this, you put the indices there, X power 2, or we can write, for example, this formula of water, H2 oxygen, hydroxide oxygen. For example, you want to change to like an endis, you go to this tool. Yeah, so these are the tools. Then if you want to, you can also have a list of names like Fred, like John, like Abel, like Emmanuel, yeah. So you can have also these names, the 4 names. Let me change. So we can have these names, and we wanted to arrange them alphabetically on alphabet order. We go to this tool, then we arrange. When you click there, they say sort by paragraph. You go to ascending or descending. Ascending, it means from A to Z, then you go to OK. So the names are arranged in alphabetic order, starting from Abel, then John comes at the last. So there is also the time when you wanted to give to your line a color. You go to this side, to this tool, then you give it a color. Yeah. So these tools, we've seen them how to use regarding headings and the title. We've seen them how we use them in while inserting the table of content, how to head different titles, and so on and so forth. Yeah, you can also outline different elements, and you want to number them. So you select the list of those elements. You simply select. You select the list. Here you have the names. Then after selecting them, you can number them like this. You can choose the types of numbers you want. You can number them like this, or you can use just some signs like this one. Like there are so different signs you can use. These are the tools you have to use in that case. Or if you wanted to remove them, you go to none, then you have your list like this. So all these tools are for numbering different elements that you've outlined. So thank you, dear listeners. Today we've described the different tools found in Menu Home. So next time we shall come talking about different tools found in Insert. Here we have different tools. So we shall see how to use all these tools, and it will be great. Thank you so much. Stay with us.